Haka sinjam bakrao haka history jong ka India Post kelaplat patba ya ka permanent pictorial cancellation bat ka special cover ban Pynsah nam ya uklawat ka rilum jantia u Kiang Nangbah. U MLA ka Jawai ma wailat miki Syllad kum u Kongsan ula pelat e kini kidak sak kenmau bat ki cover haka jingalang ka balong haka laitrik u Jembang ha Kiang Nangbah Government College Jawai. Layadan lang u CEM ka JHADC ma Thombor Shiwan, u Director of Postal Services Headquarter North East Circle, u KVLN Murti, u President ka Senrat Jawai bat Principal ka Kiang Nangbah Government College, u ma H. Toy, u Daloy ka Ilaka Jawai ma Purman Kinjing bat kiway. U Murti ulaong baka ni kadey ka sin ka baningkong balapun mi ya ka permanent pictorial cancellation ha Meghalaya bat haka jingtmu kalong ban penpena bat penpau ha keleng kari bat syabar ban Pynsah nam ya u Kiang Nangbah. Ula kenturu eki samla ban shim kabun eki jing syakri jong ka post office omtang haka ban pak tiar ni ki shiti hinre ban kensho Pynsah hapo ka yang dak. Ka special cover ka badai ka envelope ka badan ka dor baka jinga thuk khana lingkot syapang u Kiang Nangbah ka bala ban yo na shlong GPO ha ka dor arpho tingka kat ba ka permanent pictorial cancellation ka badan ka syap ka bapen iya ka dor umat saknam u Kiang Nangbah ha sentuk ser ka banne batrekam hadu san hadu ship house number 1. Uma wailat miki Syllad ula ai khuble kerpang ya ka terat India Post halor ka jing itu ya unongale latlut ka rilum jantia lingba ka niga senjam. Watla ka jingalang kalong ka barin hinre ula ong bakadei ka badan jingmun. Ula kenturu bantay no ya umot saknam u Kiang Nangbah ha ka niga college bat ula kular ban ajing kersyan Pynsah bantay ya umon. Ka day ka sngi ban kenmau ya ka tenrai ka jongi la ong u H. Toy haba penken mau ya ka jing shlor jong u Kiang Nangbah bat ka jing don kam ban buram ya ki bala ya le na benta ka jing lait luit kari.
Program, it looked kind of a very small program, but I will tell you this is a very important and meaningful program. In this past few weeks, the staff from the Indian Post came to meet me in my office, telling me that they are having a plan of releasing the permanent pictorial cancellation of Kiang Nangbah. So at that moment, like all of you today, I also was amazed because I don't know what is pictorial cancellation. And I hope till now the same goes with you all. So I told you, what is important of this? Why should we do it? Then they said that, sir, this permanent pictorial cancellation, it's done only once. After today, if I request them to do also, they won't be doing it. And at the same time, we have to release a special cover also. Special cover means the envelope, where the photo of Kiang Nangbah and a small write-up about him and what he has done will be there in the envelope. And what is more important is this envelope will go all over the world. Not only in India, but all over the world. So it's kind of a very important, because like us, we want, I hope all of us here today, the people of Jawai, the people of Giant Hills, and the people of Meghalaya, want everybody, all the people in other part of the country, in the other part of the state, we would like them to know about Kiang Nangbah, what he has done. Then at that moment I told them that really it is an opportunity. It is an honor for me to do something, because they told me that we have to release this picture cancellation along with the special cover at the same time. And for the special cover we have to pay. Then at that moment I said, no, I don't mind paying. It's an honor. It's an honor to do something for these great freedom fighters of our region. But I'll tell you, in the past, and especially these freedom fighters of ours, he's not only champion regarding the freedom. Many of us will say that freedom means that it is only about the movement. Our movement, the curtail of our movement. No. He fought for the freedom of religion, freedom of our culture, freedom of our land, about everything. So that's why it is very important for us to carry forward his legacy. And for this, I would like to thank the Syllad Juai, the Kiang Nangbah Association, for keeping his legacy and to honor him every year, which is very important. So that's why I would like to urge to each and every one of you to join hands in carry forward the legacy of this great leader. And like I told you, why this program is important. For us today, if we get this envelope with a pictorial cancellation of Kiang Nangbah, we won't feel that much important. But just think, a person from Giant Hills living in London received an envelope with Kiang Nangbah. What is the value of it? It will be very valuable for them. They will feel very proud. Our freedom fighter, all the way to other part of the country. But it should start from here. It should start from here. So that's why I hope we have print. No doubt I have contributed some amount to print few envelopes. And this envelope, I'll tell you, like I told you, in the future, if I request them to print also, they won't be printing it again. So it's a kind of a very valuable. And for those people who have interest in collecting stamp and envelope, in next 15, 20 years, the value of this very same envelope will be very high. So I'll request you today also. I think they will be selling. We will be selling this envelope. So it is kind of things to keep. So that's why I'll urge each and everyone to please to have it. So at the same time, and it is very important, like the president or the principal of the Kiang Nangbah Government College have said, because in the past we have seen so many versions of Kiang Nangbah. Sometimes he's very big, sometimes he's a bit thin, sometimes with mustache, sometimes without mustache. So it's a kind of confusing. So that's why this is a very right platform, and from now on I think we have to meet the Art and Culture Department to give them the correct picture. So from now on, in the near future, wherever they will use, whether in the paper or whether in the statue or anything, so they will use the same photo in order not to create confusion. It is very rightly pointed out, and this issue we have been discussing it from time to time, especially with the Kiang Nangbah Student Union, that Kiang Nangbah Government College being named on this freedom fighter, but there is not a single photo of him. Not even a statue or a bus to commemorate him during his death anniversary. So that's why I already give my words, and once again, and I will like to tell all of you present here today that I'll take up this issue, and if not from the department, if I have to pay from my pocket also, I will install a statue of Kiang Nangbah here in this country. Because it is very important, like I told you, to carry forward the legacy of this great freedom fighter who has given his life for all of us. And today, I think we'll realize the importance of this freedom fighter, especially our country is in huge tension. As you know that there is a very high tension, whether it is with Pakistan or whether with Bangladesh, where just few days back you have heard the statement of one of the official of the government, Bangladesh government, where he has said that if India attack Pakistan, then Bangladesh should attack the Northeast, the 7th state of Northeast. So that's why it's very important that we should stay united. We should stay united. And also we should know to respect our soldiers. It's very sad to see nowadays our special forces, the army people are being face many problems, many issues. So I'll urge we should not forget that these people have taken a decision to give their life for the freedom, for our safety. Before I'll take my seat, I'd like to urge, since we have our Director of Postal Service, I'd like to urge you. We know that this Indian Post, also it's a very big family, and even in our state. And as you know that we have very many educated youth who are unemployed. So I'd like to urge you to please, I have seen many of your advertisement. So I'd like to request you that you please make sure that our youth from our state will be accommodated in your department. No doubt there will be issue with communication and all. But I'll tell you, our people are very fast learning. They will do what task you give them. And like I have heard from many departments from many companies from other part of the states or the country, our youth are very good in service. If you go in Assam or other major hospital in the country, maximum of the nurses you will find are from Meghalaya. And even they are going to Singapore and Japan. So you don't have to worry, but I would like to once again urge you to please to look into the matter, because as we are facing the problem of unemployment.
Very fortunate to release the cover here, and also that freedom fighter. We have to remember, and we are enjoying the freedom now. We are enjoying the freedom now. Whatever which place we want to go to, we'll go without any restriction. Whatever we want, we will take. Whatever children want, they will study.